Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. And we are going to unbox this month's paper pumpkin, which is called Safari Celebration. Now today is I'm a whole month behind. It is February 27th. And tomorrow, the 28th, I'll be doing two things. I will be picking a winner for anybody who is on my email list, and they will be getting the, what's it called again? Celebrate Today Magnet Board Kit. So I'll draw that tomorrow, and I'll do that on my live paper pumpkin. So if you wanted to see the live paper pumpkin tomorrow, feel free. I will be here on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you are notified. But let's go ahead and get into it real quick. In case you didn't know, the way I'm choosing my email list is anybody who joins or is on currently my email list. So that you can do by going to beautyandthestamper.com and signing up there. The Stampin' Spot, let's get into this, right? Rich Razzleberry. Love it. Beautiful. Has been around for quite a while. Super excited for the new in colors that should be coming out here. A couple months now? All right. I'm looking for a white piece of paper. There we go. So that we can see what we've got on here. So this says, yay, with a little banner. Happy birthday. A little cupcake, a little leaf, either some rocks or rain or whatever you want to do with those little speckle dots. Let's celebrate. You did it. Amazing. You are so fantastic. Congratulations. And then I think I already said happy birthday. If I didn't, it's all a happy birthday. So great word sayings. That'll be nice. And we've got here the share your moment. Oh, this is where you get to share your moment. And I'm assuming it's going to be on social media. So very cool. I'll get into that more tomorrow after I have a chance to look at it. The next paper pumpkin is called Beyond the Horizon. It is the paper pumpkin kit that you need to sign up before March 10th if you wanted to receive that. And now that I'm looking at that, it goes with the New Horizons paper. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I am excited. What did the back of this one say? Take your crafting to the next level with the mini stamp cut and emboss machine. Oh, you guys, you'll want that if you don't have that already. All right. Now I'm reading that, and I'm wondering, like, I know there's going to be some great sales coming up that you guys do want to get my newsletter for, and because there's one coming up here fairly soon, and I'm wondering if it's also going to be their birthday one. I'm wondering if they're going to add any of these little dies. That would be totally cool, right? Who knows? I certainly do not. But here we go. The Safari Celebration Paper Pumpkin Kit. Looks like we've got a monkey there. Is it like an antelope or a deer of some sort? And then a roller skating elephant. This will be definitely good for a child's maybe birthday, or just a hello, some nice little lunchbox greetings maybe. I don't know. But you guys, I'm going to put this together tomorrow. And as always, we'll go with one or two of the ways that they put it together. And then we'll go with a couple of alternatives. So let's see here. This looks like they are little pebbles, perhaps, little white pebbles. And I'm assuming they're adhesive for embellishments. We've got some more dimensionals. Let's see what we've got here. We've got 3 different types. So how many cards are we making? 3, 6, 9 cards. You can make 9 cards with what we've got in there. Of course, we will make more than that because we do alternatives. But look at this. And then this side as well. So that's the inside. That's the outside. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we've got the, what is this? The bases. So we got 3 of these bases here. We've got some monkeys who are hula hooping. There are 3 cutouts, and they are not stickers. We've got our little antelope. It is definitely not a deer. I think that is an antelope. Holding a cupcake with the word yay between his horns. Here we've got this beautiful soft succulent color of base. And we've got some great leaves. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful. Look at those colors. Nice amount there. And then what do we have? The fresh freesia base. We've got some vellum. Beautiful. We also have another vellum, which is a completely different shape. And then we have a third vellum, which looks to be about a 3-inch square. Let's see. No, it is a 3.5-inch square. And they all have this little stitching. So they're little stitched vellum shapes. Here comes the elephant. Cute. We've got some little circles here. Also not stickers. This one's already coming out. So I'll just go ahead and pop that out. I will have these all taken out by the time we do our live tomorrow. That way you guys don't have to sit around watching me do it. If you're going to build with me, you might want to pop yours out as well. And definitely save all of these pieces because you never know what we may do with them for alternatives, right? And then finally, we've got this piece here. We've got a banner or a flag, whatever you call them. Here is another one with a different shape. A little banner there. And then we've got these little green. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Don't do what I did. It'll work out. If it doesn't, we'll turn it into a flag. It's got a little rectangle there in what looks to be either Pear Pizzazz or Old Olive. Oh, yeah. And then we've got some little mini glue dots. I keep all my mini glue dots and my dimensionals right near all the time, and I barely ever have to buy my own packs because of the how many they give us. They always give us so much. So, all right, we've got our instructions, and we will use all that tomorrow. I love that they have a ruler here and all the instructions to make these cards. And then we've got this cardboard. I also save the cardboard. You can cut it right in half and make a great little journal, if you will, or whatever you'd like. So I always keep that as well. All right, beauties, if you are going to purchase anything in the month of February, so today or tomorrow, go ahead and use this code here. You're going to want to go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net to place your order if you don't already have a demonstrator in the United States. I would be so thrilled. And I would also, if you wanted to join, they're having a great sign-up special right now. I'll just take some of these out while I'm chit-chatting away, right? They're having a great sign-up special where it is only $99, just like normal. You get your $125 worth of product, just like normal. But then, on top of all of that, you get to choose 2 stamp sets, absolutely free. And they can be any stamp set that you want. So it can be the most expensive stamp set. You could get 2 of those exact same most expensive stamp sets if you wanted to give one to a friend, or if you wanted to, you know, use it for a business, if that's what you choose to do. But if you don't choose to do it as a business, that's okay. You are welcome to join my team, whether you want to just be a discount shopper and make sure you save your 20 or 25% off all of your orders, or if you want to do it as a business, I'm here to help you. Either way, I'm going to give you the best tips for any type of purchasing or selling, whatever you'd like. And you would become part of the Stamping Beauties, the Stamping Beauties, which is my team. So I'd love to have you, but remember, this does end Monday, the 28th, and it will end at what time? It ends at, I believe, 12 p.m. Mountain Time. So, but don't wait till the last minute, because it takes a while and you don't want to get any, you know, any hiccups. So, all right, beauties, I hope to see you tomorrow. If you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber of mine, you will also get an invite to join me on Zoom. But it will also be live on YouTube. You just won't be able to, you know, be on the live Zoom if you choose to. So for those of you who are Paper Pumpkin subscribers of mine, look in your email and I will send out that invitation, and it should be in your email straight away. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!